Take a bite into a perfectly crispy and flavorful snack. This mini spring roll not a must-try deep fried snack that will leave you craving for more.
This is how you eat it.
Growing up in Malaysia, these snacks were a common sight. These mini spring rolls come filled with savory ingredients. Rolling them up requires patience, but today we're taking an easy approach by knotting them up like a ribbon. We found that using small 5-inch spring roll skin works best, as you only need to cut them in half to achieve the perfect dimension of 2.5 by 5 inches for folding. If you can't find the small size, any other size will do. Keep a wet cloth on top of the spring roll skin to keep it moist. Rolling and folding takes time, and if the skin is exposed for too long, it can dry out and become brittle. Today we're thrilled to present 3 irresistible fillings for these mini delights. The first filling is pork floss, an harmonious blend of savory and slightly sweet flavors. You can get this meat floss easily in stores, and they even come in spicy version. Place a small portion on the edge of the cut spring roll and roll it into a knot. Don't worry if the ribbon part breaks a little, as long as the filling part is not exposed. If you prefer a vegetarian option, try the seaweed yakinori. It brings a burst of umami-rich goodness to the table. We bought these specially flavored seaweed snacks from the store, eliminating the need for cutting. They're even the perfect size to fit our spring roll. Dried pork jerky version is a bold and smoky delight that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Thinly cutting the pork jerky makes it more playable for noting. The best part of making this snack is the joy of having your family join hands and assembling them together. It's a fun activity to do with your kids, and everyone can later enjoy the satisfying crunch of the snack. Imagine the excitement of gathering your loved ones in the kitchen, laughter filling the air as you all work together, knotting the spring rolls and creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's not just about the food, it's about the shared experience, the bond that grows stronger with every moment spent together. As we lower the mini spring roll knots into the hot oil, it's important to maintain a low heat to prevent them from burning. This ensures they cook evenly and develop a beautiful golden brown color. After the initial frying process, which takes 3 to 4 minutes, we remove the knots from the oil. Next, we set the heat to high and drop the snacks back into the hot oil. Give them a quick stir to ensure even frying. This double frying technique helps make the snack even crispier, enhancing their texture and crunch. Once the knots are cooked to perfection, we gently place them on a kitchen pepper to absorb the excess oil. This step helps to maintain their crispiness while ensuring a lighter bite. These mini spring roll knots will keep fresh for a month in a tightly sealed container. If you like deep fried snacks, watch next how we turn rice noodle into delicious crunchy snacks. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like this video.